Welcome again, guys. Welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and we're going to make some banana nut muffins. Let's get started with our dry ingredients. I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add half a tablespoon of baking powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda. Half a tablespoon of baking soda, half a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, maybe half a teaspoon. Balance that out. And we have some, my warm spices. Some ground clove. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground clove and some nutmeg. A teaspoon of ground nutmeg. We put all this into the dry ingredients. Sugar. This is monk fruit sweetener. It's not a sugar. It's a 0 calorie sweetener. Monk fruit. I'm going to put the details in the description box about the monk fruit. So that's what we have for the dry ingredients. We're going to give this a whisk. Let's whisk it all up. Now we set this aside. Oh, also in the dry ingredients, let's do the nuts. I have here some ground or chopped pecans and walnuts. Get them all in there. For our wet ingredients, we have 2 eggs, and I'm going to use some pine essence. I haven't seen pine essence in a while to get that lovely flavor. And I have here some yogurt, about a cup of yogurt. And I have 3 bananas crushed in there. And we're going to just whisk this for a little. Also, a stick of melted butter. Gotta have that smoothie. And then we'll incorporate our dry and wet ingredients. So we've incorporated our wet and dry ingredients, and now we'll get our muffin pans, line them with the paper, and we'll pour them out. Get your oven to 350, and we're going to bake these muffins for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And I'm going to make a crumble to go on top of them. Let's see. So let's go ahead and get our pans lined and ready for the muffin mix. So after filling my pans, my cups, my muffin cups, I'm sprinkling some nuts, pecans and walnuts, which I ground up in the food processor. Sprinkling that on top, and then I'm going to put the crumble on there. I'm going to make the crumble. So these are banana nut muffins with a crumble topping, a crumble topping. So let's make the crumble. In here I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, along with a half a cup of flour. And we're going to do here, we're going to get some cinnamon. I have a half a tablespoon of cinnamon should be good enough. I'm just melting some butter, which is going to go in here. So this is sugar, flour, and cinnamon. And let's get the butter. And here I have 6 tablespoons of butter, which we're going to pour in here. Give it a whisk. That cinnamon is coming out. Okay. I love the smell of that cinnamon. And we just have to mix this and break it up. We just have to whisk it and break it up until it gets to a nice crumbly consistency. This is what we're looking for. So this is what we're going to drop on our muffins, and then before we bake them. So the oven is set at 350. We're going to bake this for 18 to 20 minutes. But let's first put the crumble on the top. Just break off a piece. And let it, and just sprinkle over it. And you had some peanuts on there, some nuts on there first. Maybe putting the crumble over that. Might be easier to use a teaspoon, right? Oh, now that we have our crumble on the top, we just put them in the oven 18 to 20 minutes at 350. So let's go ahead and bake. So here we are, guys. They're done. You're done with the crumble on top. My banana nut muffins are done, and we'll just let them cool before we break into them and taste it. But the crumble is like everywhere. Oh, it looks wonderful. Anyway, once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip.